Optics is only escalating when it comes to the conflict between Israel and Hamas, even amid the temporary ceasefire. Now what we're learning is that the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, has visited the Kfar Aza settlement or Kibbutz, where he was shown the horrors of the October 7 massacre by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Musk was also briefed by top officials of the local settlement as well as the spokesperson of the IDF. Those visuals on your screen in a short while, where the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, has visited the site of the October 7 massacre. He was accompanied by Benjamin Netanyahu as well as top officials of the Kfar Aza Kibbutz or settlement, and he was also briefed by members of the IDF to give him a sense about what really happened on the ground. So this is a huge offensive coming in from Israel when it comes to the global battle of optics, ladies and gentlemen, between Israel and Hamas. We've seen those protests all over the world, but at the same time, Israel also highlighting the atrocities of October 7 to global leaders, and this time it is Tesla CEO Elon Musk and the owner of the platform X, formerly Twitter. I'm joined by my colleague Abhishek Jha on the broadcast. So Abhishek, the battle of optics and the PR offensive from Israel in overdrive in trying to maintain control of the narrative surrounding the conflict in the Middle East, and who better than to get the owner of X, formerly Twitter, to show the atrocities of October 7 in order to gain an edge in the battle of optics?
Well, Aishman, there are a couple of things, because the information war ever since this entire Israel-Hamas conflict has started has been very deep, and in that context Twitter holds a lot of importance, because Twitter has been one of the platforms which has become essential to propagate information from Israel side, from Hamas side, or from other leaders around the world, not only for the emergency services but also to set the narrative and to sway the verdict of people from across the globe. So in that context, Elon Musk's visit to Israel, it kinds of shows solidarity with the people of Israel who have been victim of terrorism on 7th of October and who have been trying to ensure that in the aftermath of counteroffensive, the entire narrative around the world doesn't shift towards Hamas or towards the people of Palestine, and it remains intact from where it started, and that is 7th of October's terrorist attack on Israel.
Right. Thank you, Abhishek, for getting us that piece of breaking news. So Israel's offensive when it comes to the PR battle with Hamas also going a step ahead, inviting CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, and the owner of X, formerly Twitter, to join in and see the horrors of October 7. Those visuals on your screen, where Elon Musk is being accompanied by Benjamin Netanyahu at the kibbutz, which was targeted by those Hamas terrorists.